So Rapido have delivered quite a few, going through and checking them at the moment, of the OO9 scale Kerr Stuart Sirdar steam locos, and they are really good. Let's turn it around. You've got this cab, you've got the sight glasses. There's a lot of die cast in there, so it's a nice planted loco. Outside cranks, which obviously makes these a little bit more complicated. And I think, yes, very good representation of the chassis. It does have NEM coupler pockets with just a little blind hook on the end at the moment. In the parts bag there are the loop couplings as well. Also in the parts bag are a ash catching chimney, a straight stovepipe chimney, and you've got your sort of decorative chimneys supplied on it. A couple of brake hoses, some dumb buffers, some spare coupling holders, and a toolbox and a couple of covers. So I've just dropped the little coal loads in. You'll find that these parts are handed. Not sure if it's strictly necessary, but you'll find that they only fit in one side only. If I pull these out, you'll see that this one has got a little webbing towards the little location spigot, and this one, the spigots are at the end. So this one goes in this side, this one goes in that side. I've just dropped the little coal loads in there. I think that's appropriate. So a lot of thought has gone into this product. They've also supplied a screwdriver for maintenance and for removing the chimney to change it. All this is covered in a really nice manual. There's a bit of history in the front. Body removal, running in, lubrication, explanation of all the parts. So they've really gone to town with the manual. It's really nice and clear. All the parts explained. And an exploded diagram at the back. So all credit to them, they've done a fantastic job there. You see a short tank version here, this is the long tank version, and the painting and decoration is absolutely stunning, it's immaculate. Do you like this dark blue with the black background? Also like the way they've done the side tanks, so they stand aside from the boiler. There is a little bit of joining at the bottom there, but of course you've got to fit a mechanism in this tiny loco, so it had to be done, but there we are. They do run beautifully. So you've got a tiny can motor. I believe there's a flywheel on the end of it as well. And I'm very attracted to projects that just never have been done before. The hobby is very well catered for these days, but it tends to be in the narrow gauge and in the O gauge realm where things that I haven't seen before are being done. And this is a spectacular addition to our range at A&H Models. So this year has been an awesome year for narrow gauge. We've had delivered from RE the Didion rail buses, and they are convertible between 12mm and 9mm. This is the 9mm wheels on it. Just to show the sound version, so we've got interior lights. Running on the 12mm, but it has got the wheels for 9mm, and it has got the option of putting a coupling on the rear. And very nicely they have built a power pack into this, because they've got a bit more room in these bigger machines. So the REE wagons are designed to run on both gauges. Just wanted to see it with this because it's got a coupling in it that will actually fit. So they're slightly wider than the Loco, but doesn't look too out of proportion. And Ria doing a number of different wagons, gondolas, box wagons, brake vans and coaches as well. Should be here later in the year. It's really easy to remove the body. The screwdriver with the Loco undoes 4 screws, 2 at the front, 2 at the back. I undid it into the tray. They still managed to magnetise to the bottom of the chassis, so just watch that when you lift out the Loco. These are tiny little screws, they are going to go missing. It is a really nice little chassis. You can see the flywheel there, the can motor, the pickups, there's 3 per side, little hair wiper pickups.